Insights into the Billionaire Mindset. We're delving into the fascinating world of those who've achieved the pinnacle of financial success, without using any of those overused phrases you've grown tired of. Instead, we're here to uncover the secrets, habits and principles that fuel their meteoric rise, all while keeping it real and down to earth. So, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on an eye-opening journey into the minds of the world's wealthiest individuals, without any unnecessary frills or clichés. Number 1. The power of vision. In the world of the billionaire mindset, having a clear and compelling vision is absolutely critical. Setting audacious goals and understanding where you want to go allows you to focus your efforts with purpose and direction. Whether you're starting a business or pursuing a career, envisioning your success is the first step. Painting a vivid mental picture of your future, then taking concrete steps to turn that vision into reality. Billionaires know that without a vision, you're simply drifting, reacting to circumstances rather than shaping them. Your vision becomes a guiding star, providing you with a sense of purpose and the motivation to keep pushing forward. Creating a roadmap to achieve those dreams. Having a vision helps you allocate resources effectively and stay committed to your long-term goals. Without a vision, you'll find it challenging to stay on course in the face of obstacles and distractions. 2. Embracing risk and uncertainty. Billionaires understand that risk is an integral part of the journey to success. Instead of shying away from uncertainty, they embrace it and see it as an opportunity. They're not reckless, but they do take calculated risks, and they know that sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone to reap great rewards. This mindset shift allows them to navigate turbulent waters with confidence and make strategic decisions even when the outcome is uncertain. Embracing risk doesn't mean being reckless, it means being strategic in your approach. Taking the right risks, those that have the potential for significant returns. To succeed, you must develop a risk tolerance and an understanding that not every risk will pay off, but when they do, the rewards can be substantial. Embracing uncertainty also involves being agile and adaptable in the face of unexpected challenges, using them as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. 3. Persistence. Billionaires are known for their unwavering persistence. Hard work is not the only element. Having the tenacity to overcome obstacles, failures and setbacks is crucial. They don't give up easily. When faced with challenges, they double down on their efforts, learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. Persistence is the driving force behind success, and it's a quality that sets them apart in their relentless pursuit of goals. Grinding for the sake of it is not the point. Having a clear sense of purpose and an unwavering commitment to that purpose is. Persistence means staying focused on your long-term goals, even when short-term results might not be in your favor. Having the resilience to bounce back from failures, adapt to changing circumstances and maintain your determination despite setbacks. Without persistence, you risk giving up too soon, missing out on the breakthroughs that often come after the most challenging moments. 4. Building strong networks. Building meaningful relationships with people who can help you on your journey. Billionaires understand the power of a strong network. They invest time and effort in nurturing these connections, knowing that they can provide valuable insights, opportunities and support. Surrounding yourself with people who can elevate your game and contribute to your success is key. So remember, it's not just about the quantity of connections but the quality and depth of those relationships that truly matter. Building a strong network also involves reciprocity, where you provide value to others in return for their support. Taking rather than giving and adding value to your network is not the approach. Your network should include mentors who can provide guidance, peers who can offer collaboration and supporters who can help you in times of need. Building strong networks is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and genuine connections, ultimately becoming a powerful asset on your journey to success. 5. Emphasizing value creation. In the world of the billionaire mindset, the emphasis is placed on value creation, where it's all about solving problems and meeting the needs of others, as wealth naturally flows from creating something valuable for society. Whether it's a groundbreaking product that simplifies everyday life, a service that enhances the well-being of customers, or a unique solution to a pressing societal challenge, billionaires put value at the forefront of their endeavors. By consistently delivering value, they build trust and loyalty with their customers, creating sustainable long-term success. Value creation is leaving a positive mark on the world and being recognized for the impact you make. 6. Thinking long-term. Billionaires have a unique perspective on time. They understand that it's about thinking long-term, having the patience to see your vision through and making decisions that consider future consequences. This mindset shift allows them to invest in strategies and initiatives that may not yield immediate results but are likely to pay off in the long run. It's about fostering the discipline to delay gratification and the commitment to sustainable growth. Thinking long-term also means considering the broader impact of your actions on society and the environment, advocating for a responsible and forward-thinking approach to success that goes beyond personal gain. 7. Taking calculated risks. While embracing risk is essential, it's in taking calculated risks where billionaires don't blindly gamble their fortunes away. Instead, they carefully evaluate potential opportunities, conduct thorough research, devise a strategic plan and remain adaptable as circumstances evolve. This involves a combination of analytical thinking, intuition and a profound understanding of the market dynamics. It's not recklessness. It's a methodical approach to identifying opportunities that align with their goals and analyzing risk-reward ratios. By taking calculated risks, billionaires minimize the chances of catastrophic failure while maximizing their potential for significant gains, ensuring a balanced and strategic approach to risk-taking. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. 8. Focus on high-impact activities. The billionaire mindset is all about prioritizing high-impact activities, where it's not just about staying busy but identifying the most critical tasks that propel you toward your goals. Billionaires have the remarkable ability to delegate low-value tasks, freeing up their time and energy to concentrate on activities that generate the most significant results. It's working smarter, not harder, and constantly evaluating how your actions contribute to your overarching objectives. This laser focus on high-impact activities ensures that every effort is well spent and aligns with the overarching vision and goals, resulting in efficient and effective progress toward success. By allocating resources to high-impact endeavors, billionaires maximize their productivity and achieve remarkable outcomes. 9. Fearless decision-making. In the billionaire mindset, making decisions involves calculated confidence. Understanding that indecision can be just as detrimental as making the wrong choice, billionaires master the art of fearless decision-making. They evaluate options with meticulous attention, gather data to inform their choices and trust their intuition when necessary. It's taking purposeful action, recognizing that not every decision will be flawless, but that the ability to adapt and learn from each choice is what matters most. Through this approach, billionaires seize opportunities and navigate challenges with unwavering determination, unfazed by the fear of making the wrong call. 10. The importance of self-discipline. Self-discipline is a cornerstone of the billionaire mindset, encompassing the ability to control impulses and maintain unwavering commitment to long-term objectives. Billionaires are keenly aware that success often requires personal sacrifices. They exercise discipline not only in managing their time, finances and resources but also in making choices that closely align with their overarching vision. This entails the formidable willpower to resist distractions and instant gratification that might otherwise hinder their progress. Self-discipline becomes the driving force that enables billionaires to maintain focus, push through obstacles and demonstrate unyielding determination in the face of adversity. 11. Mastering time management. Effective time management is paramount in the billionaire mindset, ensuring the optimization of productivity through the careful prioritization of tasks and the elimination of time-wasting activities. Billionaires understand the finite nature of time and its pivotal role in shaping their success. Consequently, they meticulously structure their daily schedules, skillfully delegate low-impact tasks and employ a variety of tools and systems to streamline their workflow. Time management, for them, is not simply about being busy. It's ensuring that every minute invested aligns with their vision and goals, thereby maximizing their efficiency and end results. 12. Investing in personal growth. Personal growth is a cherished pursuit for billionaires, viewed as an ongoing journey of self-improvement and continuous learning. They wholeheartedly recognize that true success extends beyond amassing wealth. It involves becoming a more refined version of oneself. To attain this, billionaires immerse themselves in reading books, attending seminars, seeking mentorship and proactively seeking opportunities to expand their knowledge and skill set. Personal growth is a deliberate and ongoing process, fostering adaptability, innovation and the continuous pursuit of self-improvement. It is not just the acquisition of new knowledge but the active application of it in achieving greater heights, making personal growth an unshakable cornerstone of the billionaire mindset. 13. Leveraging technology. Recognizing the power of innovation and staying at the forefront of progress. Billionaires understand that technology is a valuable tool to enhance efficiency and open new doors of opportunity. They invest in cutting-edge solutions, adapt to emerging trends, and actively seek ways to incorporate technology into their ventures. It's about harnessing its potential to gain a competitive edge and create scalable, forward-thinking solutions that drive their success. They harness the power of artificial intelligence, data analytics, and automation to streamline operations and make data-driven decisions, enabling them to stay ahead of the curve and remain innovative in their endeavors. 14. Being opportunistic. Billionaires possess an opportunistic mindset, where they are vigilant for windows of opportunity and ready to seize them when they appear. They don't wait for opportunities to come to them but actively seek them out, viewing every challenge as a potential opening. It's staying adaptable, receptive to change, and prepared to pivot in response to shifting circumstances. By maintaining an opportunistic approach, billionaires position themselves to capitalize on unexpected prospects and remain agile in the face of evolving market conditions. They stay informed about market trends, emerging industries, and global events, which allows them to spot opportunities that others might overlook, ensuring they are always one step ahead in their pursuit of success. 15. Embracing failure as a teacher. In the billionaire mindset, failure is not viewed as a dead end but as a valuable teacher on the path to success. It's about learning from mistakes, analyzing what went wrong, and using those insights to refine future strategies. Billionaires understand that failure is an inevitable part of the journey and a stepping stone to growth. They embrace failure as an opportunity to develop resilience, adaptability, and a deeper understanding of their goals. It's not just about avoiding failure but leveraging it as a source of wisdom and experience that propels them further on their path. They celebrate failures as valuable lessons, share their experiences, and create a culture of learning within their teams, ensuring that every setback becomes a stepping stone to future success. 16. Maintaining a strong work ethic. A strong work ethic is at the core of the billionaire mindset, involving unwavering dedication and a commitment to hard work. Billionaires recognize that success does not come without putting in the hours and effort required. They prioritize consistent and persistent work, demonstrating a relentless pursuit of their objectives. It's about staying busy and focused and consistently delivering results. By upholding a strong work ethic, billionaires set the pace for their teams and inspire a culture of diligence, ultimately propelling them toward the pinnacle of success. They lead by example, working tirelessly to achieve their goals and inspire those around them to do the same, creating a work environment that fosters dedication and productivity. 17. Seeking passion and purpose. In the billionaire mindset, seeking passion and purpose is aligning your endeavors with what truly inspires you. It's not merely chasing wealth, but finding a sense of meaning and fulfillment in your work. Billionaires understand that passion and purpose drive sustained motivation and excellence. They actively explore their interests, seeking ventures that resonate with their deepest values. By marrying passion and purpose, they infuse their projects with enthusiasm, creating a recipe for sustained success. 18. Understanding market trends. Billionaires keenly grasp the significance of comprehending market trends, realizing that staying ahead of the curve is pivotal. They consistently analyze industry shifts and economic indicators, allowing them to make spot-on decisions. It's actively anticipating and capitalizing on changes. By understanding market trends, billionaires can identify emerging opportunities and adjust their strategies accordingly, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive in the ever-evolving business landscape. 19. Innovating and disrupting. The billionaire mindset values innovation and disruption as catalysts for progress. Not adhering to the status quo, but rather challenging it. Billionaires embrace change as an opportunity to revolutionize industries, create groundbreaking products, and pioneer new ways of thinking. They actively seek out areas ripe for disruption and use their resources and expertise to bring about transformative change. By fostering a culture of innovation and disruption, billionaires consistently push boundaries and lead the charge in shaping the future. 20. Staying humble and grounded. A key component of the billionaire mindset, emphasizing the importance of remaining connected to one's roots and maintaining a sense of humility. It's not allowing success to inflate one's ego, but acknowledging one's limitations and embracing a down-to-earth attitude. Billionaires understand that maintaining humility keeps them open to learning from others, fostering collaboration and remaining approachable. They recognize that wealth should not distance them from their core values, and they actively practice gratitude, staying humble in their achievements and always striving to give back to society. By staying grounded, billionaires ensure that their success is balanced with a sense of responsibility. 21. Philanthropy and giving back. Actively engaging in initiatives that improve the lives of others. Billionaires understand that their wealth can be a force for good, and they use it to support causes that align with their values. They take an active role in identifying and addressing societal issues, striving to leave a lasting legacy that extends beyond financial success. By creating and supporting charitable foundations, partnering with organizations and using their influence to advocate for change, billionaires leverage their resources to make a tangible difference in the world, demonstrating a profound commitment to philanthropy. 22. Diversifying income streams. They actively seek opportunities to generate income from various avenues, reducing vulnerability to market fluctuations. It's building a portfolio of investments, businesses and assets that offer stability and resilience. By investing in a wide array of industries, from technology to real estate, and exploring alternative income sources, such as passive investments and royalties, billionaires build a financial safety net that ensures their wealth remains both dynamic and enduring. Diversifying income streams is a mindset that empowers billionaires to adapt to evolving economic landscapes and achieve long-term financial security. 23. The role of mindset in success. The billionaire mindset places immense importance on the role of mindset in achieving success. It's about cultivating a mindset that fosters resilience, adaptability, and determination. Billionaires understand that the way they think and perceive challenges significantly impacts their ability to overcome obstacles and seize opportunities. They actively work on developing a growth mindset, embracing failure as a stepping stone to success and maintaining a positive outlook in the face of adversity. By prioritizing mindset, billionaires leverage a powerful tool that drives their path to success. They engage in mindfulness practices, seek out mentors and coaches, and cultivate a deep sense of self-awareness to continually refine their mental and emotional resilience, ultimately shaping their path toward success. 24. The formula for billionaire success. Understanding that success is the result of a unique blend of factors, including vision, hard work, and adaptability. Billionaires recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all approach, and they actively craft their own formula for success by drawing from their strengths, learning from failures, and refining their strategies. It's constant self-improvement, innovative thinking, and unwavering commitment to their goals, which collectively form a personal formula for billionaire success. They engage in a continuous process of self-assessment, seeking feedback and making necessary adjustments to ensure their path to success remains aligned with their evolving vision and aspirations. We've dissected the enigmatic billionaire mindset, steering clear of any worn-out expressions and clichés. What we've discovered is a profound understanding of the principles and habits that underpin the success of the world's wealthiest individuals. They are visionaries who thrive on calculated risk-taking, persistent determination, and an unwavering commitment to learning and adaptability. These individuals are masters of building influential networks, placing a premium on value creation, and they always think long-term, making fearless decisions to propel themselves to the summit of financial achievement. The takeaway from our journey is that becoming a billionaire is not solely about wealth accumulation. It's a habit of embracing a unique mindset that encompasses self-discipline, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of one's passions. By understanding and integrating these principles into our own lives, we can aspire to achieve big goals and dreams regardless of the industry or field we choose to pursue. The path to success is open to anyone who is willing to embody the billionaire mindset and rise to the challenges and opportunities life presents.